delete your Google account, you first have to navigate to your settings. Then on this interface, make sure to scroll down until you locate Google, which is located there. So I'm going to tap on it. Then on this interface, I'm going to tap on my email address, and here I'm going to continue to tap on manage your Google account. Then with this selected, this will redirect me to an interface like this with a tons of options. So I'm going to proceed to tap on data and privacy. Then on this interface, I'm going to scroll down until I locate delete your Google account and tap on it. Then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, as it's going to take some time depending on your network, so make sure to be patient. Then after that, you're going to be prompted that you should please read this carefully. It's not the usual yada yada, so make sure to carefully go through it, and if you are satisfied with all the conditions attached to it, then continue to check this box and scroll down to the bottom and check all these boxes on, then continue to tap on delete account. And that's it, you have successfully deleted your Google account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.